Career coach or mentor? Hi, my name is Christina Garidi from Eudaimonia Coaching, and today I want to help you decide whether it's best to team up with a mentor or a career coach depending on where you are in your career right now. So if you know exactly which position, which industry, which role you want to get to in the next few months or years, then it's best to team up with a mentor who already has that position right now. Ideally in your organization, if you want to ascend within that organization, so that they can support you in terms of the political landscape, they will be able to help you understand the decision-making process of the leadership team, but also when positions are opening up in that organization, how are they structuring it, what skill sets and what type of people they're looking for these positions. It might be very useful information to have. A mentoring relationship doesn't have to be public and official. It can be unofficial and confidential. Just make sure it's somebody you respect who has that position that you desire to enter, but also they don't see you as competition. They're actually quite open to support you on your way up to that position too. If you're now not very sure about the career path you want to take, and if you're not entirely convinced that the career path that your organization is promoting for you to develop towards is the right one for you, then it's very important to hire a career coach. Why? Because a career coach will be there to support you identify your strengths, your passions, your skill sets that you actually want to develop, rather than try and fit in the box that perhaps your current organization is trying to fit you into, especially if you're not thinking that this is, the future that you want to have. A career coach needs to have experience, also case studies and client testimonials that prove that they have transitioned people between industries. So make sure you hire well. Make sure you can trust them. Speak to clients that they have helped before, so that you can be assured that they can take care of you, help you, and give you the space to understand and become aware of where you want to head to as a person, but also within your career that you are shaping, and support you in the skill sets that you need to develop, but also help you gain the experiences that you need in order to be able to be considered favorably for those roles that you want to go into. So if you know exactly what you want and when you want it, mentor. If you're not entirely sure how your career will unfold in the next few months to years, then do hire a career coach so that they can support you on making sure there is clarity for you there. I hope that was helpful, and if you've got any questions, let me know.